Hello! In today's video, I'll show you how to remove apps from secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A27. To remove apps from the secure folder, you'll need to open the secure folder, which I have hidden. So let's unhide the secure folder. I'll get here. Then I'll find the secure folder there. Now you can see when I unlock the secure folder, I'll have all the apps that I have here displayed. And when I click on a plus, I can add apps that I already have on my phone or download them from Play Store or Galaxy Store. I will add YouTube. Let's click on add. And now to delete it, to remove it from secure folder, you just need to press and hold. Then you can disable it. So it will be out of here. And now the app still stays on your phone, but the copied version, you can see I still have YouTube, but the copied version is unavailable anymore. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.